outdoor. City shower.
Hello, good morning and good afternoon. Buy rate is currently low, so let me increase this. I don't know what I did here yesterday's stream, so let's increase this a little bit. Naturally, your job here as spectators now, as viewers of this channel, is to just watch and write. You're not here to read any details, any personal details on the chart, so you are here to learn how to read price action. So on that note, we focus on price action, right? So now let's start. Today is Monday, so we are not taking any trades today. We are only watching price action. We want to see how everything unveil itself. Give me a minute. I'll be back in I'll be back in 40 seconds. Just go get some water if you're watching live and just get ready. So we'll be back in approximately 40 seconds. So how do I fix to this? Let's increase this. This is not doable. let's go to probably 75%. So yeah, you have buy side liquidity. The previous week trading failed to take out buy side liquidity. Yeah. So we zoom in to price and see what's going on inside of that body of price action. So we indicate the equilibrium of this long week here on the discount. Yeah. So this side, this midpoint here is the equilibrium on the daily time frame. So down to the daily time frame. This is just a market review and oh, the title says Holy Grail. That this stream is about giving you the Holy Grail. Before we jump right into it, I want to tell you that there is no Holy Grail. The Holy Grail is meat. I'd have loved to play a song now, but copyright. YouTube copyrighted the previous stream and we were just trapping and listening to country's music, and we couldn't. Uh, Kudos to the very few of you that come live here. How does some traders trade like that and be listening to that kind, those sets of music, those different music? Like some traders do that, like while actively trading. Sometimes I get that feeling and I do something like that, but not all the times. So we had this rejection block above here, which is this IS upload can be here. So we draw that out in time. This is the daily rejection block. This is what we were looking at last week. Daily rejection block. What is a rejection block? Do you guys understand the idea of a rejection block? Because I think I've explained it before. If I've not explained it, just leave it down in the comment section or in the group chat so we'll know and I will touch on it. Because a rejection block is a very powerful algorithmic tool if and when you are on side. So it gives you a good exit technique and a good entry technique. So from the daily, let's dive right into 1 hour. So the Holy Grail, back to it. What is the Holy Grail? You might ask yourself. So the Holy Grail is not real. The Holy Grail is just a bunch of bullshit. No need to be cryptic about it. The Holy Grail is just. It's not just a judge though. Think of the Holy Grail as something that is always there, but always like to act like it is not there, thereby making you to search for it because in your quest for searching for it you become better. Every single time you become better, you looking for yourself, thinking you are lost. Doing that journey you always become better. So yeah, we have this sell side liquidity which is CB here, this imbalance here. So we had price deliver sell side and was lacking in buy side delivery. So we let this swing high here, which we had buy side liquidity just above here, which is a very strong algorithmic signature for John liquidity. So on Friday we rallied towards it and then we dropped like here and consolidated within this CB. So now we are currently at the equilibrium of it. We should have been tapering it. So the rest of it, the BTC and the Nasdaq, we'll do a review on it at the end of this stream. A market forecast and market review on it. So for now, let's just because we're late here, so let's just finish this. So yeah, let's go down to 15 minutes real quick. So on the 1 hour, everything below the equilibrium of this is a discount, everything above here is a premium. So we are going to a premium, we're currently moving from a discount to a premium after taking out sales liquidity here. So now what premium PDR rate do you have here? If you take a fee from this high to this low, everything above is premium and everything below is discount. So what do you have here in this in the premium closest to this midpoint or this equilibrium? So if you can notice, if you understand and you understand how I've been trading and reading the tape, I mostly focus on equilibrium because equilibrium is the most, to me, is the most powerful algorithmic theory and the most powerful algorithmic signature because equilibrium is balance, it is a fair value, it's a fair valuation. So the equilibrium of this premium weak centric concentrated equipment. So that's the initial joint. Then we have this high. So let's just indicate this high while we go lower. So so on the 1 hour time frame like this, mathematical is this a mathematical model. We have first stage here. So we're going into this last time then looking for second stage distribution in price. So after this first stage here, which we balance the same balance here. So is there any imbalance here? So we have the same balance here, which is not the price we balance here. So currently have the second stage distribution. Sorry, the second stage the accumulation of buys for smart money buy orders. So we have this swing high here, this clean high here. The market also like seeing something like that. So I'm currently interested in this new week opening gap. So here you have a new week opening gap. But I'm not about to indicate that here. So this is the new week opening gap. So above here you have buy side liquidity. So we're currently moving from a new week opening gap to a new week opening gap. So let's just look for the event horizon and we'll be done with the new week opening gap because we already can see this large candles here. When you have a large candle like this, let me give you a tip, like a gem, a bonus. So understand something. When you have a new opening gap like this, as wide as this is the market indicating to you that the weekly trading will be a very choppy trading. So you have a very negative price action this week. So because last week's trading, Monday and Tuesday's trading was almost perfect. So this week's trading is going to be almost hell. So you have to preserve your capital and be mindful of how you trade. So that is the only deal. How to understand how not to self-sabotage. So do not self-sabotage, right? So you by yourself can only employ things to use. As we go forward doing live streams like this and specifically on the private settings, Project Grail, we'll have conversations like this and how to avoid you self-sabotaging. Project Grail is basically not a course. It's actually like a mentorship. It's like me. It's like someone that sits in the middle row of in the classroom that can sleep when he wants to sleep and pay attention to the teacher whenever he wants to pay attention to the teacher. So that way, if I don't feel like paying attention to the teacher at that point in time, I won't pay attention to the teacher. Does that make sense? This is not me being arrogant or anything like that, but because I was paying attention when the teacher was earlier, when the teacher was teaching, I was paying attention and taking notes. So if I choose not to pay attention at the future time in class, when the teacher is talking about the same thing, talking about balancing imbalance and talking about the same thing, being repetitive, which is actually good for you to understand what it's actually talking about. But that's by the way. So look for multiple midpoint of this week here, or this discount week, and also this week discount in the sense that it's currently below market price. I'm also interested in this week. You see, there are multiple weeks like this. When you have price action like this, you know if you're very trading environment, and it's also Monday. So we're not, even though it's going to come up here or come up here, we're not interested because it will likely go up, act like it's going up, and then go lower because we're already working from the daily rejection block trying to go to a 4-hour PDRA, but we're not interested in a target for longer term on this asset class. We're just interested in this short term agri price trading. Alright, so currently we are looking from the construct engagement of this imbalance here, going lower. I want to see all of this and see how price reacts to it. So we have this high here. So I think that's it for this. So we already got the holy grail, that's it. So check out the link in bio, join the group chat, the community group. So we already got the mic. So going forward in the group chat we'll be using voice chat and I'll be talking to you live. So you hear my voice when I'm talking to you and telling you what I would want to see price to and other aspect of Project Grail. So and if you're interested in leveling up your trading, trying to go to the next level, this is not a promise of you being profitable. I'm trying to tell you that you'll be better in reading price action and you'll be more closer or you will get your model because your model is better for you to form a model. First of all, give you a model. That model you will practice with that model and in the course of practicing I'll teach you and show you how you get your model, the different emotional roller coasters before you get your model. Because once you get your model, that's it. You are done. I don't mean you're done like you are profitable, you are done like you can now go and sleep, you can now go and rest. I don't mean you should be nonchalant and go to like become lazy. I mean you can go and rest now for a while, you can go on vacation, then come back and work because now you already have a model, you already have something that is repeatable, you already have the time that is it delivers. You already know the criteria from the other kind of criteria, the other kind of criteria. You already know the variables. You already know everything about it. You already know when you cannot expect ambiguity of it. You know your model. So you get there, and so the link in when you come to the public telegram, a lot of values are given there on the public telegram. From the public telegram, it will be prompted if you ask a question on the community chat if you want to come to Project Grail. If you want to enroll in Project Grail, it's 300. Oh no, there's a price tag there. So when you just come, you see it, and you, if you're interested, you look in with the group. Right. So have a nice day and goodbye. I told you guys I'll check BTC and this in Nabi. We'll do that on the private group. That's for private people only, because we'll just use the correlation between these two assets and use that on BTC and see where BTC is trying to go. Because BTC has been